It sounds like you're passionate about content creation. Let's dive into lean must be interesting topics. If you have any specific questions or need assistance with editing, tutorials, or blogging, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Concentration. Whoa. Concentration. Whoa. It sounds like you're passionate about content creation. Let's back into lean must be interesting topics. If you have any specific questions or need assistance with editing, tutorials, or blogging, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Concentration. Whoa. Concentration. Whoa. Gotta get my second dance always on time. Gotta get my second dance always on time. It sounds like you're passionate about content creation. Let's back into lean must be interesting topics. If you have any specific questions or need assistance with editing, tutorials, or blogging, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Just so like a passion about content creation. Gossip.